Jet 2 holiday. Today, let's see what holiday will be going on. Okay, so my last video, I took off a plane. It was going whapping to now we're landing DFW. Also, the Jet 2 Spirit. Jet 2 holiday. Let's see if we can land in one piece. Hope so. It's kind of like a Jet 2 experience. If you want to like and subscribe, you can do that. It's your choice. You don't have to, or you can. If you like the video, you can choose to like subscribe. It's your choice. Well, let's see. Also, disclaimer, don't mind the voice. This is my first time doing it. I kind of just hate the voice. Don't blame me. Okay, so we're about to land. Plus, I don't want to delete and edit this video. I'm too lazy to. It's nighttime. Landing. Get ready. Relax. It's Jet 2 holiday experience. It's gonna be in Sonic. Experience is about to go. $50,000. Definitely a jet to holiday. Something. Jet to holiday.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to welcome you to Dallas-Fort Worth. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until